You're in the cab, ready for the day. You turn the key and get a single dead click, or maybe just silence. A non-starting excavator means a non-starting workday. So let's run the diagnostics. First, think electricity. That click or dim dashboard lights points straight to the battery. Pop the hood. Are the terminals corroded or loose? Clean them up, tighten them down. Grab a multimeter. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts. If it's low, try a charge. If it won't hold that charge, it's time for a replacement. If the battery checks out, but the engine still won't crank, the current might be stopping at the starter motor. A good battery with no cranking action often means a faulty starter. Before you replace it, check its connections are secure. And don't forget the safety switches. Modern excavators won't start if the armrest is up or the seat sensor isn't engaged. Make sure the machine knows you're ready to work. Okay, what if the engine cranks but just won't catch fire? Now we think fuel. This is often a clogged fuel filter. The engine is getting starved. Depending on your usage, these filters need replacing every 250 to 500 hours. If it looks dirty, swap it out. Another common fuel issue is air in the lines, especially if you've just changed the filter or ran the tank dry. You'll need to bleed the system. Find the bleed screw, use the hand primer, and pump until you see a solid stream of diesel, no bubbles. Preventing these problems is always better than fixing them. Keep your battery terminals clean. Stick to your fuel filter schedule religiously. Always use clean fuel, and try to keep the tank full to reduce water condensation. A few minutes of daily maintenance ensures that when you turn that key, your machine roars to life every single time.